Stuart Carter here from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I hope you enjoy this video. This is a Peugeot 208 Allure 1.2 PureTech 82 brake horsepower, 5-door hatchback, 5-speed manual. It was pre-registered by Peugeot UK, so they're the first keeper on the registration document, and it's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It has only done just under 10 miles. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you need any further information on the vehicle, please give us a call on 01305 266 066 or come and visit us on London Road in Dorchester.